crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I have a super exciting announcement. I am now on the 2025 Love from LIzi design team. You'll now see an unboxing and card tutorials on my channel each month to give you lots of card making inspiration for your Love from LIzi kits. If you're interested in purchasing the Love from LIzi card kit that I show today or any of the add-ons, I will have a link listed down below in the description box, and I do appreciate when you shop my links as I receive a small commission at no extra charge for you. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing the January release. It is called the Let's Celebrate kit. Now the items are packaged in 2 bags. Everything is Ziploc to protect it on its journey. So in the first bag, we have 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. This first one is the alcohol marker friendly white. We have a sheet of lemon. There's a sheet of violet cardstock. We have a sheet of pink and this beautiful mint green. So that's a look at the color palette. These are the Mint Moondust Mini Heart Peel-Off stickers, and that's my favorite thing from Love from LIzi are all her gorgeous peel-offs. The next item are the Let's Celebrate 6x6 pattern papers. There are 12 sheets of pattern papers. Now these are very heavy weight. They're more like a cardstock versus a paper texture. And you receive 12 sheets, single-sided. There are no repeating designs. Some of them are very themed, but others like this stripe could be used for any of your cards. All right. The next item is the Let's Celebrate 4x6 stamp set, and these say, happiest of birthdays, wishing you the best day, most joy, and let's celebrate. There's some balloons, a cupcake, there's a bow, and then some toasting glasses. Also included is the Let's Celebrate 6x6 coordinating stencil. We have 2 packages of ephemera. We have the Let's Celebrate Bunting and then also the Blooms ephemera. I will unbox those in just a moment. And then an A5 sheet of white foam and a sheet of holographic cardstock. So here is a look at the Let's Celebrate Blooms ephemera. And as you can see here, there's lots of floral blooms, all in the coordinating colors to this kit, and they are so pretty. These are definitely going to be showstoppers on the cards that we make because they are gorgeous. There's a couple banners included in here. I really like these. All right, and then let me unbox here the Let's Celebrate Bunting. So we have quite a few different balloons. There's cupcakes. There's a little party hat. Some birthday cakes. We also have some presents. There's a balloon arch. So lots of different pieces of ephemera. These are going to make very nice birthday cards. I like these that go from edge to edge because they will fit on an A2 card 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 just perfectly. And there's a couple more in here. Here's some birthday candles, another cake, a party hat. And you can see the gorgeous rainbow design that matches our color palette. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox the small bag. Now included in the small bag are these 2 mini vellum bags. There's 2 different sizes. Then we have this Let's Celebrate Cupcake die. So there is a top piece to the cupcake, the bottom piece of the cupcake wrapper. We receive a birthday candle, a flower, a little cherry, and then also a leaf. This is a look at the Let's Celebrate Shaker Mix. Then there's also 2 mini white string tags. And then we have 3 of these beautiful wooden hearts. And then you also receive 2 1 meter of twine. There's a pink and there's a lilac. There's 3 strands here of mini silver gems. And then this I think is my favorite. This is 10 centimeters of tassel bunting, so it'll reach across a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card perfectly. And then these are the add-ons. We have the Let's Celebrate Pinstripe Peel-Off Bundle. As you can see here, we've got the lilac and the mint and the pink. This is a look at the Let's Celebrate Variety Peel-Off Bundle. Lots of shimmer and shine in these. And then this is the A5 Matte Mirror Pastel Cardstock Bundle. So I'll show you here each of the colors that you receive in the Mirrored Pastel Cardstock Bundle. These are so pretty. All right, so that's a look at everything included in the kit. Be sure that you like this video and be sure that you're subscribed and you've rang that bell to receive notifications so that you'll be notified when I post my process video of all the cards that I make. If you're not already following me on Facebook and on Instagram, I'll leave my links to those platforms listed down below, and I would love for you to follow me there as well. All right, leave me a comment down below in the description. Leave me a comment listed down below and let me know what's your favorite item that is included in this kit. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.